Hey guys, and welcome to another video of Unlock Panda. Today I will be doing a short tutorial video demonstrating how to unlock any Samsung model out there. Doesn't matter if it's an old model or the newest model. I will be doing it step by step, and I will be doing it with the new Samsung Galaxy S10e. But as I said before, doesn't matter if you are doing the process with a different model. Okay, so as you can see, I have different type of models here. They all are Samsungs, and as I said before, I'm gonna do it with a Samsung S10 Galaxy E. Okay, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you're gonna have to do is go to the dial screen. Just gonna get rid of this message, and in here you have to dial the following: star, pound, 06 pound. Okay, a 15-digit number will automatically pop up on your screen, so make sure that you write down this number as we will need it in our next step. All right, so now you have to go to your computer and we'll log into the Unlock Panda website. Okay, now that I'm on my computer, go to the unlockpanda.com website. Okay, in here, you will have to provide some information about your phone. The first thing they're gonna ask you is the original carrier. This is the carrier where you bought the phone or which is currently locked to. In my case, I'm gonna look for the United States and AT&T carrier. There you go. Then the manufacturer or the brand. As I said, we're doing a tutorial on how to unlock any Samsung, so let's look for Samsung. Then you're gonna have to select the exact model. So be careful, Samsung has a lot of models, so let's look for the Samsung Galaxy S10e. There are different type of services. I'm gonna go ahead with the premium. There it is. Yeah, that's it. Then you're gonna have to enter the IMEI number. This is the 15-digit number we found out on the previous step. Then the email where you wish to receive the unlock code, as well as the instructions. You have the option to enter a phone number to get messages with updates. I'm not gonna do that. And then at the bottom you will see the price and the estimated delivery time. So depending on the service that you chose, you're gonna get a different price and a different delivery date. Okay, on the following page, you're gonna see a brief summary of your order. Make sure that everything looks good. And then you can scroll down to the bottom of the page where we are going to proceed with a payment. Okay, so I'm gonna do it with PayPal, which I believe it's the safest. Just log in with your PayPal account. And then, depending on the delivery time, you will be receiving an email just like this. Your Samsung unlock code is ready. So read it carefully. There are the step-by-step detailed instructions as well as the unlock code. Okay, there it is. This is the code that you will have to insert on your phone. So let's follow the instructions. We now go back to our phone. We have to turn it off. So we're just gonna turn it off right now. And then we have to remove a SIM if it has one. And we have to insert any SIM from any carrier except one that is supported. So in my case, any SIM will do it except one from AT&T. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert one from Verizon, which is a carrier that I will want to use it when it's unlocked. Okay, and then put it back on. Okay, now I have to turn on the phone again. So I'm just waiting here for the phone to completely turn on. And after it's on, when I go into the screen, it should automatically ask me for the unlock code. There you go. You see the message asking me to insert the unlock code. This is the code that you received on your email. So let's look for the code one more time, and let's go ahead and let's insert the code. Make sure that you don't insert incorrect numbers, as you only have a few attempts. So let's focus here. Okay. And after you're done entering the complete unlock code, go ahead and press on the unlock key. I think we should be fine here. And there's the confirmation message. So that's it, guys. Your phone is completely factory unlocked. Now you can use it with any GSM carrier worldwide. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.